Hoy! Andyan ka pala! Andito na naman ako and yes, we have packages to open. These boxes actually came in yesterday, but yeah, I just had to wait till today because I fell asleep last night after working. Yeah, I did get home late, but anyways, enough of that, and we're gonna do another unboxing. So this one here is from I Heart Pops and Plants or Johanna. This is a plant swap. This one is from Gardena. Yes, Gardena. And I don't know why it's so big, but I know I only ordered one plant. And this one is from Rick and Swiffer. This contains my current top wish list Hoya or plant. So I'm gonna save that for last, but I wanna open this guy first because this is a cutting. I swapped with her because she's looking for a Hoya Lois Andrewsiana, and this cutting here I was able to purchase one from Thailand. If you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna link it up here. And unfortunately, it didn't survive. So I'm like, oh, so let's swap. And also, I consider her as one of my plant friends. So why not share with her a plant? Wow! And also, I forgot. There's two plants here. This is not just the cutting that I traded with her, but also I bought a Hoya from her that she's selling on one of her Facebook group. But I'm gonna show you guys. This would be an awesome earring, I think. This is a Hoya latifolia. So remember, my latifolia, it's dead now. So I got a cutting from her. So dinner plate Hoya. So yeah, this is, I would say, the sister or a brother of the Lois Andrewsiana. The difference is I'm gonna insert here a picture of a leaf of Lois Andrewsiana and maybe side by side. So this one has deep ribbing and even could have some indentations in it. But anyways, this is the dinner plate Hoya. So dinner plate meaning it can go really big. So thank you, Johanna. Thank you for actually choosing to swap with me because obviously there's other Hoya she's looking for, but she chose to swap this with my Lois Andrewsiana. So thank you. And then this guy, speaking of the Thailand unboxing that I did. So that one's dead too because I had to buy this one. This is the Hoya. Which one are you? Chronayana? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Hoya Chronayana Super Eskimo or Eskimo because basically it's silver. So yeah, it's a starter plant, but it's okay. Yeah, I've been wanting to get this one ever since that one died because you know you gotta have to have a redemption. You gotta redeem yourself that you can grow this Hoya, or at least me. So thank you. Very happy with this box. And she used this, so I think I'm gonna recycle this because why not, you know? Recycling is always a good option. Whoops. I'm gonna move my Rick Moy hair. I don't know how to pronounce your last name, sorry Rick. But Rick in Swiffer's box, but we're gonna open the Gardena one first. I'm not sure why it has to be this long. Maybe it's a big plant. But all I know, I only ordered one plant. So maybe just to keep it safe. And it says priority mail, yes. Okay. Okay, here we go. Let's see. And yes, they do use soil. So I do see some soil stuff. Oh, nice. Oh. Okay. Look, I got a bonus. smile to my face. Aww. That's so cool that Gardenas has been doing this. You guys! Oh, it has a peduncle too. It's a Hoya. It's a Hoyang Pilipina. It's Hoya Mindoroensis purple. Mindoro is in the Philippines. Hoyang Pilipina, my friends. Maybe, I don't know. I always put them on my ears. So, and yeah, that peduncle, all those little flowers. Oh, I know Lesia just posted on her Instagram like the anatomy of Hoya. But yeah, I still need to review that so I can be more fluent in talking about Hoyas, like a Hoya language. But yeah, those are already yellows, like the ambo, I guess, am I correct? Is yellow, so those will die, but Hoya Mindoroensis purple. So I do have a Mindoroensis, I believe it's red. And this is my second Mindoroensis and it's purple. Thank you. I'm so happy you guys. Gardino, shout out to you for knowing that I am looking for Hoyang Pilipinas. Thank you. I don't know if you know that, but maybe mental telepathy or something like that. Or I believe in God. I pray. I pray for my plans and for my hopes and dreams, and I know God provides. And yes, He provided through Gardino. So thank you, Gardino. And the plant that I ordered is this guy. So let's see. I still can. Wow. I thought it's going to be a small plant. Okay. I always have an issue removing plants this year. Whoa, look at that. So full. See? So I don't specifically know why I got this, but I don't have it yet, so I got it. And it's called Hoya Limoniaca. So lemon or lemon, I guess. So maybe its blooms would smell like citrusy, or the color is lemon-like. Hoya Limoniaca. Obviously, I'm gonna post a picture of the blooms here, which at the moment I'm not sure what they look like, but I'll look it up as I edit. But so full. Thank you, Gardino. And for my Mindoroensis purple, I don't have that one yet. Thank you very much. Okay. Yay. Thank you. Let's put and now to the last box that's containing my top wish list plant, a Hoyang Pilipina from its name itself. I'm gonna open it. Okay. Open. So just a foreword on that. Apparently there's 2 clones of this plant. So this one, wait, let me open it. Wait, I'm too excited. I'm already talking about it. But yeah, but once again, you guys, if you do have a Hoyang Pilipina, please do use that hashtag. I'm gonna write it. Hashtag Hoyang Pilipina. So like we can see each other, and then for those who wanna collect them too, will know which ones they don't have yet. So let's do that. Again, I see I have 3 butterfly clips already here. What? Thank you. Oh no, 4. Let's do this because as you can tell by now, my hair is really long. We're gonna do this. Where's the other one? Okay, this not just 4 because I'm looking ridiculous now. Do I look as pretty as the Hoyas? Okay, 5. I got 5. He threw 5 butterfly clips. Thank you for my clips, but yes, I'm gonna use it for the plants just for now so I can see better. Like, look. Wait. Okay, so it's July. So in his group, it's a customer month. So when you purchase one or when you win one Hoya, you get either 2 plants or 2 cuttings or one of each, but basically you're gonna get two. So right now what I'm seeing here is that there's 3 Hoyas here. Can you see? One cutting, which is a very long cutting. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you, Rick. Hoyas pa Davao, Philippines. Okay. Oh yeah. Another Hoyang Pilipina. Thank you. Yes, Hoyang Pilipina. Oh, OMG. Oh, wait, let me showcase it. I forgot. I'm too excited. So, Hoyas pa Davao, Philippines. So, obviously, from its name itself, it's a species that I guess was found in Davao. Davao, yes, the mangoes. Like, they have awesome mangoes and they have, yeah, one of the beautiful places in the Philippines, Davao. Thank you. So, yes, I'm getting a lot of Hoyang Pilipinas here, man. Thank you, thank you. Okay, now... Okay, I don't know which one is which. So there's 2. One of this is a bonus. One is the plant that I've been raving about, that I've been Googling about for months. Okay, I'm gonna do this one first. Just because. I'm not sure if this is the plant that I wanted. Or this is the free plant. But. This is the bonus, so the last one would be the Hoyas David Green Cup. Oh wow, I actually, wow, it's thick. I don't know if you can see the thickness of this guy. And its beautiful green leaves. Oh wow, this is, thank you. I actually was eyeing this one. I don't know, Rick, have you been reading my mind lately? Hoyang Pilipina, and then this guy, OMG, thank you. So on to the last one, and just like what I said, I've been looking for this guy or girl. Maybe it's a girl, we shall see. Alright, I'll tell you why. So this one got its name because of its porcelain-like skin of its flowers. So maybe from that you already know which one this is. And if, yeah, for my friends, they already know I've been looking for this for a while. This is the Hoya cutis. Oh, let's remove you. Hoya cutis porcelana, just like I said, a porcelain-like skin. So cutis in Tagalog means skin, porcelana, porcelain. RJ1, because there's 2, thanks to, what's his name? Is it Pepe? But thanks to him, he is a Hoya collector and hybridizer in the Philippines. He clarified that there's 2 kinds of Hoya cutis porcelana, and the one that is that is known here in the northern hemisphere as Hoya cutis porcelana is actually the RJ1. So it has a more peachy color of its petals, and I'm gonna share it here. This is courtesy of him. So the cutis porcelana that is known in the Philippines has more of a pinkish tone petals or corolla. So dream come true. Thank you, Rick. And yeah, I'm just gonna remove the stuff and we'll do a close-up look of them. Okay? And check out my pretty butterfly clips courtesy of Rick. Back with my handy dandy table here on our bed. So let's see what I got. Oh, this little babe here, Hoya cronaya na silver. I lost a leaf. I don't know which this one came from. Oh, okay, but it's okay. One leaf. And then my Hoya latifolia cutting from Johanna. Can you see? Let me move my table. And then from Gardena, Hoya Mindaroensis purple. I think that's where the leaf came from. The Hoya limonaica. Limonaica, yes. Or lemon. That's what's popping in my head. Lemon. My Hoya Davis green cup. My Hoya Spa or Species Double Philippine Cutting. This is so awesome. I got a lot of bonus and free cuttings and Hoya Cutis Porcelana RJ1. Close up of these plants, the Hoya Cornayana Eskimo, and then my latifolia with the deep dead there. And then this one, unexpected, because I am looking for this guy. Look, the peduncle, the Hoya Mindoroensis purple. Thank you, Rick. Hoya Limonaica. So some splashes there, but I like that deep veination, deep, I don't know what you call it, but a lot of new growths. Thank you, Gardena. And then the Hoya David's green cup. Beautiful and very thick leaves. And then this guy, unexpected, I didn't even know this existed. Hoya Spa Davao, Philippines. Look at that, so pretty. Thank you, Rick, for that. And my heart is so grateful to finally say that this baby is home with me. My Hoya Cutis Porcelana. There we have it. This is my unboxing or Hoya haul. Not really this week because I've been getting a lot, but yeah. So this is the plants that I got today from yesterday's packages. Hope you enjoy it, and again, please do use that hashtag Hoyang Pilipina so we can all feature the beautiful Hoyas that are originating from the Philippines, and at the same time you can help me and other Hoya heads out there that are trying to collect Hoyas that are from the Philippines. And if you want to do so, you can also do the same if you are from Vietnam, from Thailand, India, like wherever these beautiful Hoyas are coming from. Do that so we can easily, yeah, if someone out there just like me and some of my friends decide to collect or give an homage to that country and appreciate the Hoyas that they have, please do so. Hashtag Hoya this, Hoya that, meaning the space provided for their location. So yeah, and also follow me on my Instagram at Julians_plant_corner. Yeah, I'm always on it. Message me if you have any questions, suggestions, and maybe just want to chit chat with me, because yes, I do appreciate it. And of course, please like and subscribe. Also hit that bell button there so you'll be notified whenever I will have a new video uploaded for you guys. And yeah, kita-kita tayo ulit dito and also on Instagram, and may you always be blessed.